Kindness Icon Kids channel. This is Cherishma and you are watching special bulletin of November month. To mark this year Kindness Day, 8th class students of eSmart have initiated to bring awareness about humanity and kindness in most exciting and creative way. To fulfill the purpose, they have joined the hands of non-profitable international organization Lifest Insight to host the worldwide event Dance for Kindness in Nagarjuna Model School, Kadapa, India. The entire day, students' minds were filled with kindness that they performed skits, and the most interesting thing took up by the children was freezing themselves for about 3 minutes in positions depicting kindness. Some of students took interviews of participants with thought-provoking questions about the special event, for which many of them answered, and among those answers, the best was picked and praised. Highlighting the importance of the event, Mr. Shivashankar Reddy, the chairman of Nagarjuna Educational Institutions, said, "In this hour of mutual distrust and disharmony, we can take this small step to spread the message of unity and brotherhood. We should make students come together and look beyond the vices in each other." At the end of the day, the most interesting act, that is, DFK, was performed by 143 students uniformly dressed in blue t-shirts. They united at one place to perform one dance for one purpose: to make kindness go viral.
Could shift our focus on the positive, we know the answer is to live and let live. Life's a puzzle incomplete, and everybody is a piece. Through empathy and human kindness, we'd be the change we wish to see. Instead of spreading hate, and raise the frequencies of love, and start to pave the way for all the violence to cease. We must agree to disagree, to grow beyond power and greed. With selflessness we'll plant the seed. This is our world, and the revolution has begun. With all
See, we have been discussing so much about so many qualities of kindness, what is generous, what is honesty, so many things we discussed, but now you try to put it in the form of a dance. And when you were involved in this work, it was really so impressive that I feel that this is one of the way of taking the message to the people. Because we verbally tell so many things, but today you could exhibit it, you could express it with your little dance moments. Anyway, this is the quality. The kindness we talk about is the quality. It's about generosity, it's about friendship, it's about how we should know, like being concerned for others. These qualities are really great qualities. And with such type of work, knowingly or unknowingly, this gets into yourself. And I wish that these qualities be with you, not with just a performance now, but it will be through and throughout your life. Congratulate Anindra sir for taking his strong initiative, and Vasu madam who have been really supporting, and rest of, I could see Sarojana madam, Kalpana madam and Padmaja madam, so many teachers. And it's not that every teacher who is directly or indirectly involved, the credit goes to them, because without their support, things would have not taken place. I'd like to thank and appreciate and congratulate Like Us Inside, the organization who has been instrumental for this performance of this type of programs, and really hats off for them. Thank you. And finally, it is you, the children, who really got totally involved. You are totally involved in your performance, and I really appreciate for that.
Thank you for watching NMS Kids channel. Stay tuned for more updates. Signing off for now. Yours Cherishma.